The U-Anchor from Anchor Products is the fastest and easiest method for creating a watertight and maintenance-free solution on any commercial roof type. The U-Anchor can be used for anchoring heavy equipment, solar arrays, pipe and wire management, bracing and support systems, safety and protection, and more. For additional information such as product selection assistance, data sheets, detailed drawings, testing reports, and even to hire a professional to install the U-Anchor for you, log on to www.anchorp.com or contact 888-575-2131. The following instructions are meant to be utilized by an experienced and professional roofing contractor using the proper equipment, techniques, and safety protocols, not just the average handyman. Each installation should always follow the specified roofing manufacturer's written specification. Align the U-Anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Mark the perimeter of the U-Anchor cover membrane. Using the manufacturer-recommended brand of water sealant, apply a continuous bead to the bottom surface of the U-Anchor plate. The bead must run over each fastening hole of the plate. Install the U-Anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Apply the EPDM primer to the marked-off area of the roof and over the plate. Allow the primer to dry enough to be tacky to touch. Remove the release liner from the cover membrane. Gently curl the membrane edges up and push the bolt through the center hole opening of the cover membrane. Push the membrane down to the primed roof surface, ensuring the cover membrane is aligned properly. Once properly aligned, press down firmly to the roof surface with your hands to adhere the primed EPDM surface without any wrinkles or air pockets. With a 2-inch wide roller, roll the cover membrane to achieve proper bonding to the roof. Apply the manufacturer-recommended seam sealant per the roofing manufacturer's specification. Finally, install the 2-inch separation disc prior to installing any additional hardware. It is not required to adhere this in place, as this is only used to protect the materials underneath and not for waterproofing. However, this can be adhered into place if desired. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor products.